السلام عليكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. محاضرتنا genetic basis of hematological malignancy, common cytogenetic abnormalities associated with the spectrum of chromosomal abnormalities associated with leukogenesis of acute myeloid leukemia (AML) is broad and heterogeneous when compared to chronic myeloid leukemia and other myeloid neoplasm. Recurrent chromosomal translocations such as translocation 8 ل 21, translocation 15 ل 17 and inversion 16 are frequently detected. But hundreds of others uncommon chromosomal aberrations from acute myeloid leukemia also exist. This chapter discuss 22 chromosomal abnormalities that are common structure, numerical abbreviation, and other important but frequently less than 1%. Translocation emphasized in the WHO classification. Briefly, morphological, cytogenetical, and clinical characteristics are summarized so as to provide a concise reference. Cancer cytogenetic laboratories. Characteristic chromosomal abbreviations of other myeloid neoplasms such as myelodysplastic syndrome and myeloproliferative neoplasm will be discussed in separated chapters, except from the certain abnormalities such as translocation 9 ل 22 في acute myeloid leukemia. Gene mutation detection in the normal karyotype acute myeloid leukemia by cutting-edge next-generation sequencing technology are also briefly mentioned. A role of cytogenetic in diagnosis of acute leukemia. Acquired chromosomal acute chromosomal abbreviations are present in the marrow of most patients of acute myeloid leukemia. Diagnosis cytogenetically. Acute myeloid leukemia is a very heterogeneous disease with over 160 structural chromosomal abnormalities observed recently to date. Molecular discussions of many reciprocal translocations and inversion has resulted in cloning of genes involved in leukemogenic. Some recurrent abbreviations and the resulting gene rearrangement, namely inversion 16, translocation 16 16 and rearrangement of band 11 Q23 and the myeloid lymphoid leukemia in a new World Health Organization classification of hematological malignancy. Moreover, cytogenetic abnormalities, whether molecular characteristic or not, are among the most important independent prognostic factors in acute myeloid leukemia and are being used in the management of acute myeloid leukemia patients. This review presents current information on chromosome abnormalities in acute myeloid leukemia and on associated between karyotype and clinical characteristic and outcome of acute myeloid leukemia patient. Cytogenetic abnormalities and prognosis of leukemia. The FAB classification morphology subtype does not correlate strongly with prognosis. Older age, high white blood cell count, and low platelet count at diagnosis indicators of the poor prognosis. Chromosomal abnormalities can negatively monosomy 5 or 7, hyperdiploid or positively translocation 8 ل 21, inversion 16, trisomy 21 affect prognosis of acute myeloid leukemia. In acute lymphoid leukemia, the childhood acute lymphoid leukemia patient will common acute lymphoid leukemia and pre-P acute lymphoid leukemia to best those with nil acute lymphoid leukemia without common acute lymphoid leukemia antigen. And T-cell acute lymphoid leukemia do less well. Patient with rare B-cell acute lymphoid leukemia do very poorly. There is the evidence that pre-B acute lymphoid leukemia has a poor prognosis than common acute lymphoid leukemia. Adult acute lymphoid leukemia patient with prolonged time with a complete remissions, older age, higher white blood cells count, hepatosplenomegaly, a bleeding disease, and diagnosis are null or common immunological subtype have a poor prognosis. Detections of minimal residual disease. Detection of minimal residual disease has prognostic value in many hematological malignancy, including acute lymphoblastic leukemia, acute myeloid leukemia, chronic myeloid leukemia, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, and multiple myeloma. Quantitative minimum residual disease can be obtained with the real-time quantitative PCR analysis of immunoglobulin and T-cell receptors gene rearrangement, breakpoint fusion region of chromosomal abbreviations, fusion gene, transcript, apparent gene, or apparently exposed gene. Their application being depend on the type of disease. Real-time quantitative PCR analysis can be performed with the CyberGreen1 hydrolysis TAG1 probe or hybridizations light cycle probe as detection system in the several quantitative real-time PCR instrument. Depending on the type of the minimum residual disease, PCR target different type of oligonucleotide can be used for specific detection, such as allele specific oligonucleotide (ASO) probe on ASO become forward and reverse primer, or germline probe and primer. To assess the quantity and quality of the DNA and RNA, one or more control gene must be included. Finally, must be the interpretations of the quantitative real-time PCR data need standardization criteria, and reporting of minimum residual disease data need international uniform. Several European networks have now been established, and common guidelines for data analysis and for reporting of minimum residual disease data are being developed. This network also including standardizations of the technology as well as the regular quality control around both begin essential for the introductions in multi-central treatment protocol.